Okay, we made it to the range today for the 223, and we were shooting at 100 yards. Temperature today was probably about 61, I think is what it was supposed to be. 100 yards. I shot 5 rounds of factory ammo through the gun first before I started onto the reloads, and we got first target was 22.8 of the 335, and it was an 1.25 inch group. Got 2 touching here, just kind of not too bad of a group. And we got 23.3. It opened up some 1 5/8 inches. I'm also still learning this CMC trigger on this thing. Actually, even learning the gun itself. Still haven't got that many rounds down it yet. Alright, but 24.4. Got one flyer here. That's probably me. With the flyer, 1 9/16. 4 holes touching each other, 0.3 of an inch. That ain't too bad. That's pretty good. I like that. Let's set this over here. Well, yeah, right there. Then it opened back up. I mean, 4/10 of green opened it up that much. 1 7/8 inches. You see it was doing pretty good. Clover leaf there, and then one kind of stray one. Those stray ones could be me. I was shooting off the bipod that's mounted to the gun. No rear rest. So 25.2. Am I doing right here? Yep. 25.2, 1 3/4 inches. Not much difference. Now get back to 25.6. Got one flyer again. You got 4 touching each other, about 3/8 of an inch spread on that one. So looks like we got 2 nodes in here. It's pretty good. I'm thinking on the next round of testing we go to, let's see, it was 23.8 from the load before, so I don't know, may go take this load and go 3/10 the other way and 3/10 this way, but only 4/10 difference between this and the one afterwards, which put a pretty good spread. Let me find it again. That's only 4/10 difference right there. It shows it's probably was starting to spread out a little bit. So I'm thinking go maybe start at 24, go 24.1, 24.2, all the way up to 24.7 on the next set of rounds and see how it goes. But anyway, gun worked great. New can, or not can, but the new muzzle brake worked fine. So I'm very happy with it so far. But I think that's going to be my load right there. But we'll do some more testing. Smaller increments, see how it goes. I did not crony anything because I figure if it didn't group, why crony it? We can start croning after this to see how it comes out. According to the book, this is supposed to be, I think it was 2,800 feet per second. That may be on a 20-inch barrel, and I've got an 18, so not too bad. I'm happy. Any day's shooting's a good day shooting, right? Alright. Thanks for watching.